When it comes to folding fitted sheets, it can be kind of a nightmare. If you're like me and you want it to be folded nice and neat and look nice on your linen closet shelf, I have tried several different methods over the years, and it always ends up just being some kind of wad underneath my fitted sheet. I'm Jan Howe from YouMakeItSimple.com, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fold fitted sheets the easy way. It's a simple, hassle-free hack that I think you're really going to like. Let me show you how it's done. This is a king size sheet that I'm going to be folding, so you can get an idea how even the largest fitted sheet is doable to fold this way. Stay with me for the whole video because I'm going to show you how to fold smaller size sheets and what it looks like. I like to fold it on my bed just so I have a flat surface. Start with your sheet wrong side facing up on your bed or a table. Locate the long edge or the side of the sheet. Now some sheets will have that indicator label on it and some won't. It doesn't matter. Just find the long side of the sheet with the wrong side facing up. Take your hand, find the first corner pocket seam on that top side, and you can see this has elastic on it. Not all sheets will have elastic. I'm going to find that other side pocket seam and stick my hand in. Bring the seams together, line up the seams, and then flip that over. I'm going to follow the elastic or the edge down. That basically folds the sheet in half. Now I still have my hand in that pocket here. I'm going to find the other pocket seams and stick my hand inside of that one. I'll bring those together again and flip it over. So now that we have all four of those pocket seams lined up, I like to just take it and give it a shake, and then take these two edges, line up the ends, and just give it a shake. Then I'm going to flip it over onto my bed or table, and you can see that I have the two folds here and the folded edge here. To get this nice and straight, I'm going to hold these two ends and pull it out so this gives a nice folded edge. And here are all my corner pockets right here. I'm just going to smooth it out, stick my hand back in those corner pockets, and let this top edge fold over. What we're trying to go for is this right angle. So my corner pockets are going to be pointing up at the edge, and then I'll just let these fold in. And that is what it will look like. So I have the square edge and this kind of a C shaped here. Then I'm going to fold this edge over about a third of the way. And smooth that out and fold the other side over. I like to flip it sideways. Fold that fluff end over first. I'm going to fold it in quarters. Take your flat sheet, put it on top, so you have two nicely folded sheets instead of a big wad on the bottom. Now, wasn't that easy? And look how nice they look on your linen closet shelves. That bottom sheet is just about as flat as that top sheet. Wasn't that hard? Simple to do. Now let me show you what it looks like with this sheet. This is a full-size sheet. I'm going to find my side, my long side, The wrong side's facing up, obviously. Stick your hand in so the seam allowance is showing on that pocket. Find the other pocket seam. Bring those together, line them up. Fold one over the top. Just take your fingers and so it comes to a point. And then pull out. And then follow your hand down to find the other two pocket seams. Stick your hand in, make it come to a point, and then so it's folded in half. Bring those points together, line up the seams, fold it over the top again. So now I have my two folds. And line these up, give it a shake, flip it over. So those bottom folds are on the bottom. Hold on to those edges, smooth out, and give it a shake. Remember, we're trying to go for that square edge here. Stick my hand back into that pocket. Allow these sides to fold up. So it's basically a square shape there. See that? So we've got a lot of bunched up going on. Don't worry about it. Remember, we're going to fold that over a third. And the other side over. Flip it sideways. Smooth it out. There you have your full size sheet folded nicely. Crazy good. This is nice, isn't it? Now I'm going to demonstrate on a single size sheet and you can see how different it is. So I'm locating my long side, the wrong side of the sheet is facing up. Stick your hand in those quarter pockets. Look how much shorter they are. You'll get so this is just second nature. Just takes a little practice. I hope you found that helpful. Make sure you check out my video on how to put on a duvet cover the easy way. I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found that helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. Have a wonderful day, and whatever you do, choose to make it simple. We'll see you next time.